If you have a mobile catering business and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple website for your mobile catering business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week as well. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, mobile caterer. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our mobile catering business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city over here, as well as my city and my states and my region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on that continue button. Let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website. And there you have it. It's literally generated a website for me with the information I've just put in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use. They look absolutely delicious as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of maybe some events you've catered for. You want to showcase that on your website or your work you're proud of, and maybe make one or two amendments to that content. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional of any sorts. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get cracking. I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. First thing I'm going to do is put in my email address over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and just tick that box to display it. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. Your address, you can put it in over here, although you might be a mobile company, of course. Maybe you don't have a physical location, but if you'd like to add it, go ahead and do so. Where your kitchen is, your premises. Great thing about it is when your customers actually click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. This is a great way to get customers to your social media platforms to give you a follow, get some engagement going. Awesome. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section and head on over to update logo. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can actually make slight amendments so that you can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters, frames by clicking on the pencil over it. Let's go ahead and click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. I think that size is absolutely perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors. If you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on the paint bucket, bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed at all. So go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with the keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up for your business that are suitable. Another feature that we've recently introduced, so you can actually connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. Click on that button, connect it, and actually pull in all your Instagram photos so you can choose them instead of uploading them all individually. Such a mission. This saves you a lot of time. Literally pull in all your Instagram photos by connecting your accounts. And update action is where you can work on those buttons, change that button text, where the button's linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with your menu options for your catering service. In the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. Put in their details. You will get notified via your registered email account you have a new lead. You also can keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the connect your domain button at the bottom. Go ahead and set it up. If you'd like to purchase a new domain, click on the green button to make your website look even more professional. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Really wishing you and your mobile catering business mighty success.